what you want to see. You just grab it and take off with it. Not mess around with it. He's gonna come up here and you're gonna see him. He's gonna see the boat. He's gonna take off again. He's gonna splash around.
JD.
There he is.
Oh shit!
JD.
You got one on both of them, man?
I think both of them.
When you reel, you can let your rod tip go down. You can reel in some slack, and then raise the rod tip up. Reel it down, reel it down, reel it down, reel it down.
Look at that shark. Look at that shark.
Sure
Yeah,
enough.
done. You see him following it? Golly.
Good one, Mark.
That's huge. Oh my gosh.
All right, you got it up far enough now. You're tired. All right, we'll let him get tired, okay?
Oh my gosh.
You like that?
That was the biggest fight.
He's a good tired.
It was following yours in, too. Did you see it? It was about a 3-footer following his bait in.
Wow.
That's about what was following his one.
Good job, man.
How big is that?
That's what they call a black nose. See the end of his nose got a black spot like a puppy? It's got like a cover to the black tip.
And I'll tell you what, it's bigger than any